Alright, today we're going to be working on closing up these doors, and I'm going to build a shelf here because I have about 4.5 inches between the doors and the back of the bed. So the mattress will come up to here, and then I'm going to have a piece of board come off like this and then up, and it'll stop anything from, your phone or water bottle falling off the bed down into here. You have a nice little like trough almost. We got this marked out at 57 inches, so this will come off of this, and then I'll have another one come up. Alright, so there's half of the shelf. There we go. I'll obviously screw this in a couple spots, but it'll be nice solid, and that is a nice fit. I gotta cover these areas up, so trim all that out. Now I'm gonna do the outside face of it. Get a little piece of plywood in here to hold the gap, but also be able to clamp it. I'm gonna finish nail through here. I'm going to cut something to fit down in here that I can screw to this and to both of these. Same there, and I think I'll probably put one in the middle too, just to hold it completely separate. Alright, we got the shelf all set. Now I'm going to trim this out and get the doors on. Hopefully this back side will be wrapped up today, then I can work on up front. Got this all trimmed out, and I can't believe how good it looks. Super happy with it. So now I made these blocks for the hinges to set on. So these will go here, and then I'll have the door across. I've definitely surpassed the skill level that I thought I had with woodworking. I'm not by any means a master carpenter, but the way this is turning out, I'm super happy. Because I've never really gotten into carpentry like this or finish work or anything, so it's a big step up. Here's the almost final product of the back of the van. I think I'm gonna do some trim on the outside to these, maybe like a little accent piece across, but it's sealed up. So once again, and then these magnet stoppers came out so good. Just like a little piston, so when you push, it sets it, and it's also magnetic. Got these two little tabs on the door. Super clean. So now I'm going to do those same setup on the front of the storage and then on the front of the counter as well. Alright guys, had to charge up the GoPro a bit, but we got this trimmed out, ready for doors. We got this piece cut out. I'm going to cut this piece, but here's my switch panel for the lights and USB ports and water pump and fan. I have enough room to get this perfectly leveled out, and then we'll do that piece. Then I gotta trim this out. Well, it was raining out pretty good for the last hour or so, but did manage to get my switch panel in. That all boxed out. And I also put on my dimmer switch for the LED lights. So, just a little bit of indoor work, but the kitchen area is coming along. And I'll trim these out with like 1.5" strips for trim, just to give it a little character. I'm glad the sun came out and I kept working, because we got the doors on. Boom. Starting to look like a kitchen.